you back in December. I was feeling under the weather. You tried to make it all better, but now all we do is play telephone and never home.
Hey y'all, happy Vlogmas Day 8. We are wrapped up with work for the day, the work day. Obviously, if anything comes through, I will handle it as it comes because you just gotta do what you gotta do. It's self-care time. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Jake's heating up the hot tub. We're gonna go in there after. I'm gonna watch Vlogmas because that's one of my favorite parts of Vlogmas is watching it. I'm gonna put my bathing suit on. We're gonna go in the hot tub. Not sure what the rest of the night looks like. Obviously, we'll take you guys along. Me again. I just put my bathing suit on, clearly, and threw my hair up. So I'm looking kind of like a rat. I'm gonna ask Jake if the hot tub is heated up because he does it on his phone. Is the tub hot? Jakey.
I'm in the middle of a game.
Remember you told me you would keep me put.
I'm really fighting this going right now. You're asking if the tub's hot. Give me a sec here. Oh no!
This is embarrassing. I'll get his towels. Just did a body shower, felt amazing. Just was thinking the funny thing about Vlogmas is that it's so repetitive. It's every single day. It's not like my nighttime skin routine has changed in 2 days. So anyway, I'm gonna go in with Aloe Tiva, best ever. I have a code, so use my code, Kayla. It might just be Kayla, Kayla15, Kayla20, try it. If it doesn't work, let me know. Anyway, this is the waterless face serum. It just feels so like nice and cooling. And obviously it has aloe in it, so during the summer, it's incredible. Like when you have a sunburn. Next is the face cream. I'm almost out of this. I need to use my own code to repurchase. Do 3 dots, like so. The last couple steps of the routine are Babe Lash eyebrow serum and eyelash serum. The best part of the routine, last but definitely not least, Laneige lip mask. Favorite ever. I wish I had the peppermint one because I feel like that's festive. But this is the vanilla and it's a tried and true. That is the nighttime skincare. Takes 2 minutes. Before I forget, I need to add some of the Jisoo hair oil. Great. Hi guys, it is time to make dinner. The overview per usual. So here we have a skillet with olive oil just heating up. In here I just have salted water to boil for the pasta. I'm going to do the pancetta pasta I made the other day, but I don't have pancetta, so I'm going to use Trader Joe's jalapeno chicken sausage. I think it's actually going to be delicious. I am going to cut these nice and thin and then add these to the skillet as well. Trader Joe's rigatoni pasta, broccolini that I'm going to cut up like I used the other night. I'm going to add garlic to the pan first, and then once I add the pasta, I'll do some butter, obviously Parmesan cheese, and then I have Texas toast in here that we're going to toast after. Pro tip is I got the Texas toast from Costco in legit a 30 pack. It's lasted me forever. This is actually the second time I've gotten it since we moved in because the boys love it, and I have probably 4 sleeves left, which I think have 8 pieces in each. So I'm gonna get cooking and hopefully everyone likes it just as much as they like the pancetta pasta. A moment for these stunning Christmas decorations I have. But before I start cooking, I need a drink. So I think I'm gonna just have one of these big boy Pellegrinos. Yum. Garlic is cooking stunningly in here. I'm going to add the chicken sausage. I just chopped it up nice and thin. I also wanted to ask a few things. One, do you like the montage cooking videos, or do you like me talking over them? More personable? I will look at a recipe for inspo, but I'm not following any recipe to a T. I honestly might look back at the TikTok I did the other day to make the pancetta pasta so I remember exactly what I did, but honestly winging it is great because it turns out a little different every time. I'm going to lay all of these flat and turn the heat up, and I will show you once they're cooking. I think I've said it before, Pellegrino isn't my favorite seltzer. It's kind of a soft seltzer opposed to like a thicker burn your throat. If you drink seltzer, you know what I mean. I'm gonna add some tart cherry juice. You guys always see me adding lemon juice, so I like this as a little nightcap. Man, on this game. Ooh. It just bubbled up. Oh my god, I just made a mess. Don't do that. Why did that just happen? That hasn't happened before. I was gonna just hype up tart cherry juice and say that it's a really good natural source of melatonin, but now I have to clean this up. Ah, brutal. You just get 14 paper towels really quick. That sucks. A lot of people drink like cups of tart cherry juice, but there's a lot of sugar in it, and I know it's natural sugar. I don't want that much sugar. Also, this did just give it a nice little flavor, so I'm satisfied even though I made a mess. These are cooking perfectly. I'm going to have to flip them over in just a second. This is turning into more of a chatty cook with me. Anyway, I just dropped the pasta. Speaking of, I need to set a timer. I always cook the whole pound of pasta and then I always get a Tupperware and put a little bit in there. It's nice to have just to keep in the fridge. I'll make it for Jake, I'll add some sauce, a quick lunch, or a last minute dinner. It never really goes to waste. I'm going to flip this, wait for that to boil. Just flipped and these are looking perfect. I cannot wait to add the pasta and the broccoli into it. The other thing I was gonna say is that this candle is literally down to the bottom. I have never had a candle burn so perfectly. If you can tell, there's only a tiny bit left to burn. And I wanted to show you the rest of the pack because I got them in a 4-pack at Costco. And what I mean by not burning all the way is we have this candle because it was the one that we moved in with. Granted, it's from Walmart, but we're absolutely obsessed with the smell. But look at all the wax that didn't burn. Let me show you the rest of the Costco ones. This guy's laughing at me. It's a little blurry. Aw, you're so cute. We have a birchwood, balsam, berry clementine. I think I like this one, this one, this one in that order in terms of the best. And also mom, this is for you. We have paper towels and toilet paper for days. I'm gonna have to pick one of those to replace this one, even though I love the white toasted vanilla on the counter. This is the current situation. He's in his world, I'm in my world. Can't complain. Gonna turn this on. I cleaned this today, so all the buttons got messed up. Normally it just stays on toast. Why isn't it going to the other side? I think I clicked sync, which means both sides have to be on the same one. So that's why it was only letting me go to that side. Anyway, we're doing toast, 9 minutes. So I will keep an eye on these to make sure they don't burn because a lightly toasted Texas toast really hits. Going to add the broccoli. I don't add too many spices to this recipe, like garlic powder, onion powder. The water and the pasta already has sea salt, so I don't even know if I'll add salt because the chicken sausage has a lot of flavor already. So I'm going to turn this up a little bit. Yeah. I just added a little bit of pasta water to kind of deglaze the pan with the rest of the seasonings as this boils. I wanted to show you guys this thing from Amazon that is a pasta drainer, goes over the sink. I think it's great.
KB, tell the vlog after what we're doing.
What are we, oh, are we?
Krispy Kreme after a Christmas movie.
Really?
Woo!
That sounds like heaven.
Woo!
Come on, Lugs, big happy family. Get
Come
in.
here, Lugs.
Come on, for the thumbnail.
Kid. For the thumbnail,
Come
kid.
on.
For the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
Hey.
can't see your bum.
Kid.
One big happy family.
Hey.
All right, gotta get cooking. Why don't you guys play one more game? You're gonna be ready in 12.
12 minutes.
Maybe less.
Kid, we already hopped off. Like, we're not.
Oh, we'll go play a different game.
Yeah.
You loves
She's adding a little sea salt. We're gonna get it live.
Just because we had broccoli and I want to make sure.
There it is.
Salted enough.
Perfect.
Salted it from Amazon. Run up my following count so I can get an Amazon store. We can Texas toast too, your guys' fave.
I'm filming this toast.
We need to try noodle, see if it's ready. I think it's good because it's gonna cook a little more.
Good job.
This is what the pasta is looking like. I've added butter, a little more olive oil, some fresh Parmesan cheese, some grated Parmesan cheese, little crushed red pepper. The TV's blasting over there. The bread is done, so I just have that sitting in here. I'm gonna serve this in a minute, so I'll show you what it looks like all served. Dinner!
Ready?
Yep.
Woo!
Hello, Michaela.
Hello, Sarah.
I'm excited. Ooh, different pasta.
Yeah, cool. Thick shape.
Thick, like. You're filming us. Eating our dinner.
My eyes been twitching for eating.
You're the one that said you need house time, and you're filming it.
We're still enjoying our house time.
This is weird.
What's your rating?
Well, with the bread, it's gonna be high. Anything with this bread's high.
Yeah.
They would an 8. They just want like an 8.5.
From now on, all my ratings are 10 out of 10.
No. Fair. Do a fair rating. I like the pancetta one better.
I agree with you guys.
Jake.
Cool. You're embarrassing.
Eat it.
So good.
Oh my god, you're so annoying. We just finished dinner. I just cleaned everything up, wiped everything down, did all of the dishes myself today. Time to shut the light off and enjoy the clean space. I'm making some tea. I got these cute little holders from Amazon. I think I'm gonna have raspberry leaf. Yeah. How cute is this little sign? So we're going to Krispy Kreme and Jake just typed it in to his navigation. He started typing CR and I said that's the wrong spelling. And then he backed it up and started typing CHR. It's KR.
That's one of those jokes that like you just had to be there for.
I want one of everything.
3-pack of original glaze. Thank you.
I feel like they're not warm. No, remember last time they weren't warm? Did they glue these boxes shut or what? God is good. God is great.
Everyone knows the rules. 2 bites.
Not 2 bites. Oh, they're cold as a rock.
So it was off, or maybe because you've been staring at them for fucking 20 minutes.
No, like they weren't hot.
Really?
I need to go home and heat it up.
That's a disappointment.
It's so disappointing.
Like throw them in the microwave.
Throw them in the mic.
You just wait in the freaking line for 30 minutes for cold. At that point, we could have just gone to Ralph's and got them.
Literally. Whatever. Can't win them all.
Lesson learned. Never drop them back all the way over here. And French fry and a mozzarella stick.
With a 4-piece or 8-piece.
4.
4. And then can I do chicken fries?
A bit of 4-piece, 8-piece or the 12.
4.
I'll do 4. Mozzarella sticks off rip, 2 out of 10. Honestly, the ones at Trader Joe's are better.
Alright, at Burger King, I think they have a theory. They always put 1 onion ring in your fries. Every time. Honey mustard. I want to test the sauces.
Oh, these are chicken fries?
Yep.
Gas.
Really?
Chicken fries, hit. Mozzarella sticks, never getting in.
Fries kind of suck. Normally they're good though.
Probably not getting fries ever again. Chicken fries, gas.
Why did they make these things so hard to open? I'm trying the honey mustard with the fry. Honey mustard is so good. Better than McDonald's. Alright, now I'm trying the sweet and sour.
McDonald's gets a way higher rating. Not even comparable.
Their sweet and sour and their honey mustard is bomb. Better than McDonald's for both.
That's some good sweet and sour.
Oh, those smell like cardboard. I wouldn't be able to eat any of it without the sauce.
Sesame bun. McDonald's doesn't have that.
Look at McDonald's right there. You want to go through?
If you put like McDonald's, Burger King, Shake Shack, In-N-Out, Five Guys, every burger in a row, and you had me take a bite of each one, I could name it.
I feel like I could name it.
Really?
Yes. I don't even want to.
Let's have their last bite.
No, I don't want to.
So do I.
It kind of smells like it tastes like what a Krabby Patty would taste like. Jake, it's a green light.
Fuck you.
Tell everyone what we're gonna do when we get home. Step 1, warm up the Krispy Kreme donut.
I'm getting into bed.
Step 2, get into bed. Step 3,
Watch Christmas movie.
step 4, go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Happy Vlogmas Day 8.
Happy Vlogmas Day 8.
Good night.